Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm announcing my October 2023 challenge. Each month I'll post a theme and show a project I made using the theme and showcase a certain colored release of new dewdrops. They are currently listed in my Etsy shop, or if you're a regular customer and you'd like to direct purchase from me, please send me a direct message. This will save me on some Etsy fees. To enter the challenge, please do a VR showing your project using the theme of the month. Tag me at DoubleClickConnect and use the hashtag DoubleClickConnectChallenge. Please leave a comment and be a subscriber. The challenge is open all month long until the next challenge, and you can enter as often as you would like. The prize is a bag of dewdrops, and I will draw a winner each month. This is the bag of dewdrop for October 2023 prize. This is not sponsored. You must be 18 years or older. The prize is for US only, but anyone can enter. If you do not post on YouTube, you can follow and tag me on Instagram. This is a great way to use your stash. You can create any project within the theme and meet new crafty friends by searching the hashtag DoubleClickConnectChallenge. This month's challenge for October 2023 is fall or Halloween. It's still October and everyone is still crafting Halloween, so I'm keeping this challenge open for either themes, fall or Halloween. I enjoyed so much watching all of the videos for last month's challenge, which was Halloween, and since we still are in the month of October and I know everyone is still posting for Halloween, I'm leaving it open for fall or Halloween. Let me show you the release and then I'll show you the project that I created. I went with the fall earthy theme this month. Most of my dewdrops have been either pastel or very bright, so I think the timing is perfect to bring in some really nice earthy tones. So here we have this really nice burnt orangey dark tone. I love that one. And then we kind of have this mushroomy dark color. We have this mossy green. And then we also have this espresso nice dark brown. They are currently available in my Etsy shop. It's $5 for a pack of 100 dewdrops. It will be 25 of each color in the package. I send a sample package with every order. Here's the project that I created this month. I went with the fall theme. This mushroom is from a Temu die. I inked it up using some distress inks. I used some stickles, and here you can see one of the burnt orange drops, as well as over here. I have a little grass punch that I used and a thinking of you. And that is my entry for this month's October 2023 challenge for a fall themed project. I hope you guys will consider entering the challenge this month. I would like to thank everyone for all of your support. I appreciate it so much. I hope you all have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye guys.